Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a landscape poster in Canva. So if you want to make a poster and you are too lazy to create it from scratch, you can actually create it from a Canva template that you can easily found in here. So you can just search click on the search box here and then make sure that the tabs is on template, and here just type in the keywords. So in this case I'm going to use landscape poster. Okay, and then just click on enter and wait for the templates to show up. Okay guys, so here template has been shown, and you can just choose which one that you think fits your needs, or maybe the one you like. You can just choose which one. For example, I want to use uh wait a minute. Okay, maybe I'm going to just use this ones right here. I like the color. And if you want to customize it, you can just click on the customize this template option. Then the template will be open in a new tab. Okay, so here the template has been opened, and you can just make some adjustment in here. You can change the tags. For example, you want to change it into another word. Okay, for example, I want to use this right here. I want to change it into this. Okay, you can also, like, if you want to change the font, like the color or the other adjustment, you can just do so. And when you're done, just click on share and click on download to successfully download this poster. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.